All right, guys, 2011 Hyundai Genesis. Put a vibrant on it, a rear delete and everything, so I'll let you guys hear it. Factory converter there, and then he ended up doing a long vibrant. Customer brought it himself, so we put it in there. Run it out, and then we did a rear delete. You have to put a Y pipe and do some custom bending out there, and then we went back into the factory tips. The part number for the vibrant that he brought was 1793. And out the back, like I said, into the stock tips. Looks like we didn't do anything to it really. So we'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bells as well. That's the old stuff we cut off. This is the rear muffler. That was the mid that was on it. Cut both those off and then cut the tips off the sides right there. Not bad. Real clean. Good sound decibels. 98. 98 was what it peaked at. Good, go ahead and back it out. It's kind of deep too. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '11 Genesis, vibrant mids, rear delete, stock tips.